Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Masook Harris. If you guys are new to the channel, this is Money Mindset, and we talk about financial literacy, personal finance, stocks, and soon to be real estate. So thank you guys for joining, and if you haven't already, please smash the like button on this because I know you're gonna like this one, and subscribe to the channel. But without further ado, let's get to the financial word of the day. Now, the financial word of the day is credit. Credit is a contractual agreement in which a borrower receives something of value now and agrees to repay the lender at some date in the future, generally with interest. So if you do have a credit card, let's just say the limit is $1,000 and you need to buy something for $1,000, you put it on the credit card, and then the due date on your credit card is when you have to pay the credit card company back for lending that $1,000. So it's very, very simple, guys. I will be breaking down financial words for you guys every single video in the future. So now let's get into why you're really here. Now, I just said that a crash in the stock market and that in the economy is actually a really, really good thing if you're on the right side of your mind. So like I say, there is the cash register, and then it depends on which side you are on the cash register. So the person who owns the business, right, has a cash register, and the person who walks in to buy something is a customer. So there's the cash register person, and then there is the customer. If you're the owner, you want to be on that side. You know what I'm saying? And if you are a customer, you want to revert to trying to be on that side, because the owner and the cash register person is collecting your money. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be giving away your money all the time. You want to be collecting it as well. So in a state of, people being very, very scared because the economy has crashed and they're selling off all their stocks, as you can see right now that we're at an all-time high. The Dow Jones is almost at $30,000, and I can't comprehend that. It's so crazy. There's new highs every single day in the stock market. The Nasdaq is at what, $9,000? Like, this is just ridiculous if you just think about it. If you do pay attention to this type of stuff, which you should, and exactly why you're subscribed to the channel is so that you guys can understand what's going on around you. So like I said, Dow Jones hit $29,000. Now, the Dow Jones is a list of 30 biggest companies in the United States. So this kind of reflects, the whole economy within the United States. So they base, if the economy is doing well or doing bad off the Dow Jones, if you haven't known already. So when the Dow Jones, let's just say, goes from 29,000 all the way down to 10,000, within that period from it going from 29 to $10,000, everybody is selling all their stocks because they're scared of what the economy is doing, which means that everybody is selling because one person sells and they tell you, the economy is crashing, save your money and sell it now. But remember, when people are scared, they do dumb things, they do irrational things. Let's all try to be rational when something like this is going on. As you can see, Apple is at like $320, and they're very, very, very great company. If you look at the financials, they're not going to be going out of business, but during a market crash, it does get affected by it because everybody thinks that the world is going to end. So people start selling off their Apple shares, and then let's just say Apple gets to $100. You know what I'm saying? If you were buying this company at $300 and now it's $100, this is exactly the time where you should double up on your investment. People think that, buying low and selling high is a bad thing. But if you say it again slower, if you buy low and sell it high, then you would see that that's actually the thing you're supposed to do when it comes to the market. But people have this psychology reversed. And it's weird that it's happening, but they only have it reversed because of, irrational and emotional investing. So people like to tend, oh my God, it's hitting record high, so I'm going to be jumping in right now at its high. But then when it turns and they have all their money up top and the price is going down, they get scared. Nobody likes to see their money being lost. But if you have the guts to hold on to your investment, and when it gets to the bottom, you put more money into it, you have to be more aggressive when people are pessimistic. That's what Warren Buffett said. He said, in the meantime, this is what you should be doing when there is a bull run in a bull means that the markets are optimistic, and a bear run means that markets are pessimistic, which means that optimism is high and people are doubting the market when it's low. In the meantime, I follow this guy named Gerald Peters at Full Auto 11 on Instagram. I'll show you his page right here. Guys, go follow this guy. Genius, super genius. He trades, he has real estate, and he saves his money, and he has money for when stuff like this happens. But you know, you want to kind of reflect and mirror his kind of mindset, because this is exactly what you should be doing when there is a market crash. But remember, make sure you're saving money too, because usually when they go higher and higher, people are just keep on throwing their money at it so much that they don't even have something in reserve. So if it does go down, they can't buy the low. You know what I'm saying? So get your money right, get your mind right, and prepare for a bad scenario where you can then buy in, at the low on all these great companies. So thank you guys for watching. This was a kind of complicated but simple way that I kind of broke down why you should buy on the low, and when the market crash is coming, it is actually a good time for smart investors like me and you. Link down below 3 free stocks that you can get right now to start your journey and just to get started investing. It starts today. Change your mindset, start saving your money, start investing some of that money as well, and get your money right, get your mind right. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.